Welcome once again. Let's talk about how you can get free money to travel outside the country, or you want to travel abroad, but you need money, you need capital to travel, from your visa, from your transportation, from your let's say your accommodation. You need money and you really want to travel outside the country. So many people have the dreams of traveling to the United States. Some people have the dream of traveling to Canada. We have people who want to travel to Germany. We have people who want to travel to UK, different countries. But the major problem is funding. The major problem is money. Okay, money to fund all these things. Now I'm going to give you a site that will help you, that will fund your traveling. So this is a global something, and I'm telling you this. I'm not going to give you two websites. I have so many of these websites. I'll be releasing them one after the other. This is the reason why you need to subscribe to our channel, turn on notification button in order not to miss our next videos. We also have other ways you can make money online. Please, this is the right place for you to subscribe to our channel. Now, like I said before, if you have been dreaming of traveling outside the country, mostly you see people who want to travel outside the country, mostly people coming from Africa, coming from Asian countries. We also have some Europeans who want to travel to America. We also have some people in America who really want to visit Europe. So if you need money for your traveling, you need fun, you need support, you want to raise money, you want people to give you money, to raise money for that your traveling, for that your goal, for that dream you have about traveling, that particular country you want to travel, you want to visit, believe it, you are going to get that money. Okay, I know it's not easy raising money by yourself. Some people find it difficult to raise money by themselves. This is why you need support from rich people. You need support from people that have money to support you. Okay, now like I said, for example, I have someone who actually asked me how he can get money to travel to Canada, and this person is from Nigeria, and he really wants to travel to Canada because Canada is his dream country, but the problem was fund. Actually, I gave him 3 websites to try, and definitely he told me I've gotten the money that he wanted. He even got more than what he wanted. And today, as I'm talking to you, he's about to travel out because he have gotten a visa. He also paid for his flight tickets to Canada. And any moment from now, he'll be traveling to Canada. That is one important thing. Stay true and be truthful to yourself. Like this person, he really wants to travel, and you can see he got the phone and now he's about to travel. That is one important thing I'm going to tell my audience. Please, people need help. If you know you don't need this money, don't just go and request for help. Okay, don't go and maybe post something that you know you don't need it just because you need that money. Please be truthful to yourself. That's what I normally tell every of my viewers. Be truthful. Now, when you go to Indiegogo, this website, you can see it on your screen. I don't know how to pronounce it well, but they will help you fund. They have millions of people that visit that website seeking for help. We have a lot of them also are there. They are not there to seek for help. They are there to help you. They help to help people that need fund. Okay, we also have organizations who also go to Indiegogo, and some of them also go to Fundly.com. So that I'll be giving out these 2 websites, Indiegogo and Fundly.com. So if you are a traveler, or you want to travel outside the country, you want to travel to the United States, you want to pay for it. Most times, some people always go there not because they need the site to help them in everything. Maybe you have your visa, but the problem is your flight ticket. You can actually go there, seek for help. That I have my visa for Canada, I have my visa for US, I have my visa for Germany, I have my visa for UK, for Netherlands, but my problem is flight ticket. I need help to raise money for my flight ticket. Believe it, definitely people will start raising money for you for your flight ticket. Some people, the problem might be for the visa fee. They just need money to pay for the visa fee. While some people, the money they need is for their accommodation. Maybe they need money to pay for their hotels that they will be staying. Some people need money for feeding. So it depends on what you need, the particular travel, whatever you're traveling. You're going for a tourism, or you're going for a business tour, or you're going to seek for a greener pasture in this country. Whatever thing that you know you need money for, or that is what you will be telling them what you need money for. It's free. They're not charging you any amount of money. Indiegogo will only charge you 5% of whatever that is being generated for you. So it simply means if I need exactly $1,000, for example, or I need $2,000, and my request for $2,200 or $2,300, for example, because I know that Indiegogo or other side, they will be charging me about 5% of whatever that have been generated for me. So by the time they remove their own charges, I will end up getting that same amount of money that I need for my travel. And I hope you understand. Let's say you need $5,000. You want them to help you raise $5,000 for your traveling dream. Maybe you want to travel to Germany, and the cost of everything from your visa, from your flight, is about $5,000. And you know, if you go there and request for $5,000, and by the time they remove 5%, definitely that 5% of $5,000 should be around $250, right? Because 10% is about $500. So 5% is about $250. So it means if you go for $5,000, they will now pay you $4,750. So you still need $250 to complete your project. So that is why you can request for $5,300 or $5,500. This is what you need. So by the time these companies remove their own charges, you will still end up having that same amount that you need for your traveling, okay? And for Indiegogo, they are founded in 2009. This should be around almost 14 years. So it's a big company. They have been there with millions of global customers. And for Fundly, Fundly was founded in 2008. Okay, in 2008. This is about 15 years of Fundly, and Fundly gets about almost 360,000 monthly visitors. Why Indiegogo gets almost 6 million monthly visitors. See, there are two great sites with great traffic. So, like I said before, this is free. For Indiegogo, you need a VPN if you are not in America, if you are not in Canada, if you are not in... There are so many countries that they listed. So some countries are not being supported. So to use Indiegogo, you need to have a strong VPN. Okay, you need to have a strong VPN. Just go to there are so many free VPN websites that you can just go and get free VPN and sign up. Or one of the best way is to get someone who is living there or living in one of the accepted countries to help you out. Okay, the person can help you out, create an account for you, raise the money and send the money to you. I think if you have someone, that would be the best way. For me, that would be the best way. So they also have other ones that are global. No matter the country where you are, you can accept, you can request for fund. Fundly is one of the websites I also love. So for me, if you are traveling out, you need to travel, please log into these two websites. Your traveling dream will come to pass, okay? You want to travel to Germany, you want to travel to Canada, you want to travel to the US, you want to travel to South Africa, you want to travel to Egypt, maybe you want to go and see the Egyptian pyramids, you want to go and see the histories, you want traveling for tourism. I mean, they will help you raise some capital for you, for your traveling dream. Once again, remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos. Thank you for stopping by.